The wilderness has decided to test me today. This is not a gentle snow. It is a strong blizzard, a sustained assault that turns the simplest task into a battle. The sound of the wind is a warning, screaming that I'm not welcome. Every minute spent setting up this new shelter must be measured against the force threatening to tear it down. Resilience is not a choice. It is the only way forward. The new tent is an unknown variable, and the blizzard is its proving ground. I must anchor it deeper, securing every guy line with conviction. The pressure on the canvas is immense. It groans and flexes on the very verge of yielding. My focus narrows entirely to the hearth. That small fire must be lit, and it must hold, because tonight, that flame is the only thing separating us from the storm. And then, the quiet miracle of a place held. Safe inside, the wildness of the blizzard outside becomes mere background noise, a powerful drumbeat against the canvas. The air is thick with the scent of pine and smoke, the sound of the crackling fire a direct contradiction to the screaming wind. This is the truth of hot tent camping, building a defiant, warm sanctuary in the heart of the chaos. The comfort is profound because it was so utterly earned. The morning reveals the extent of the night's battle. The deep drifts, the snow plastered to the canvas. But the shelter held. My time here is over, and the ritual of packing away begins. It is a slow, methodical return to the journey. I carry no regrets, only the quiet pride that the tent and my resolve endured the storm. wilderness returns to its silent, sovereign state. I leave stronger than I arrived.